What is up, YouTube? I am back with another video again. Today it seems like making a video and then disappearing is coming a trend on this channel. Not really sure, but in that time I did finish school. I graduated with my bachelor's in mechanical engineering, so that was cool, and I am back home for a little while. Today is March 10th, 2020, and that brings me to the point of this video, which is actually Import Alliance is the 28th and the 29th. I've been the last 4 out of the 6 years, and it's always a good time, so I thought I'd go back for my 5th time again this year. So I took off these wheels in the beginning of winter last year to kind of protect them from the winter weather conditions that we barely had. And now it's getting to that time where the weather is more accepting of those summer tires that I have on them, so I think it's time to put them back on there. So I'm going to be ceramic coating my wheels today with the product called Cquartz. So what comes in the box is the bottle itself, and then you have a applicator pad, and then you have 4 microfiber type tiles to kind of clean the area and whatnot. So I'm going to be using that stuff today, and I actually found that out through Thic F30s. He made a great video explaining the product, and he swears by it, and the reviews swear by it as well. I'm going to link his channel in the description below because he did a great video on it, like I said. So anyway, I decided that I needed that protection, that extra protection this time around, because I think this is going to be my last time running them. I said it was going to be my last time running the wheels last season, but I'm going to give it one more shot this season and then let that be the last one, because I kind of have some other plans. So the time that I'm making this video, the product itself was only like $43. So why not give it a shot? I'll leave an Amazon link to that down in the description down below for you guys to check it out and maybe try it for yourselves if you want to. And I'll give an update video when I get to Import Alliance to see how it's holding up, and it actually did it protected. So yeah. Alright, so I'm not going to go in super detail on how to use this stuff. Like I said, Thic F30s did a great job explaining it in his video, and it is linked down below so you guys can watch that. But I will kind of show some of the steps in the process, but you do want to make sure whatever you're applying this stuff to is absolutely clean. I washed these wheels about a few days ago, so I know they're clean. I'm going to go over them one more time and just wipe them down just to make sure no flying debris or whatever got on them. So here's the applicator brush again. It's not that big actually, and it'll do the job. And then here's the bottle itself. You only want to use maybe like 2 to 3 drops at a time per wheel or per section of the wheel. You don't want to use too much of it. This should last you. This should get you through 4 wheels easily. But yeah, so let's get to it, and then I'll update you guys when I start on the wheel. Another thing is I forgot to mention, I remember from this video, is once you start applying this stuff to the applicator brush and you put it on the surface, you don't want to take all day applying it to it, because this stuff can get sticky pretty fast if it's a lot of humidity out, which thankfully it is not today. But you definitely want to be making sure you're paying attention to time when you apply this, because it can get sticky and you have to wipe this stuff off if it does. Alright guys, I am done with the first wheel now. I don't know, it kind of looks a little darker than the rest, but I'll have to see on the end. I got a knot on my tire. Lovely. This is my first wheel, so I think the rest should go pretty smoothly. But I can already tell, like, it's darker than the rest for sure. It looks good, but we'll see. I think they look pretty decent. You can definitely tell it's been coated, and it hasn't even been on there for the full 3 hours, but it's definitely shining a lot more. It seems darker, but I'm real curious as to how these will play up in when they get dirty, will you be able to just kind of just rinse them off like the ceramic coating's supposed to do, but we'll see. They are all done. Ooh-wee. They sure are shiny though, I can tell you that.
One eternity later.
Today is April 16th, and it's been a little minute because of coronavirus and everything that's been going on. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying in the house, taking all the necessary precautions that you need. But yeah, I've just been in the house and I've just been too lazy to pick up the camera. But I am gonna wash the car today. This is gonna be the first time I've washed it since I've ceramic coated it. So I kinda wanted to see what it'll look like, even though I haven't really been anywhere, how easy it will be to clean. Alright, here are the wheels. I definitely cleaned off a lot easier and dried off a lot easier than before. So I can tell that coating is helping a lot. And then the water was starting to bead up too. So I think it did a pretty good job. I'm impressed. But yeah, that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Like I said, I hope you guys are staying safe. If you're not living your best life, then what life are you living for? Peace out, guys.